What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing something. Hey, Yamaka.
A few moments later.
Yo. Alright, that was a very terrible but a very authentic way of unboxing it. Yeah, so little update, been going around here and there, eating a lot of food and getting allergies. Terrible. And yeah, just going around trying a few restaurants. It's not bad. And I bought this little upgrade to my disposable film camera. So yeah, we're gonna talk about I don't want to waste my film. So I bought a little film camera, YASHICA MF-2 Super, and this is a 38mm lens, and it's a very beginner film camera, but yeah, I'll put the price in the video. It's around 150 over around there, depend on which supplier you get, and with the film, with battery, with all that it comes, it can go up to like $200, but I think still a good deal. I'm not sure, but yeah, I've already got it, already paid, so nothing much. Comes with a strap, lens, good lens, fixed lens, and yeah, a pretty nice box that you've already seen on a B-roll. So yeah, really I didn't really thought that I would be into these kind of things, but yeah, bought a few disposable camera, bring around, go out, start shooting, taking, you know, good memories, and all the photos that came out, it turns out to be, it's just different, and yeah, it turns out to be like really good. Especially these are a few of my photos. I'll just put them up on the screen right now. 1, 2, especially the horse one. Woo, that was such a beauty. And yeah, you don't get much, you don't get to retake or anything, you don't get much. So that first try, and when the photo turns out really beautiful, it's just a joy, right? That's why I didn't want to, you know, spend my film. But yeah, gonna be taking this bad boy out for a while to shoot tomorrow. But yeah, anyway, someone's laughing. Wow. I don't know. Why are you laughing?
Bad boy.
Yeah, this bad boy. This is a bad boy, eh? It's a Yashica. Yashica is a bad boy. Take note. So yeah, really happy that I got this. Can't wait to start shooting, I guess. Anyway, this one is gonna be like the shortest unboxing of the product ever, and yeah, probably gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.